Microsoft Project is a popular project management tool, but before you consider purchasing it, there are a few things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it to other accounting software options. Stick around until the end, and I'll also share a better alternative that you can try for free. First off, Microsoft Project is robust and packed with features, but it's not the easiest software to use. If you're looking for something with a sleek, intuitive design like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. It's designed more for professional project managers, not small business owners looking for an easy accounting solution. Next thing, when it comes to pricing, Microsoft Project can be pricey. It offers a subscription-based pricing model, starting at $10 per user per month for the basic plan. But compared to competitors like Trello or Asana, which offer free versions with more limited functionality, Microsoft Project can become an expensive option, especially if you're managing multiple projects and need advanced features. The third thing to consider is Microsoft Project's advanced capabilities. It's perfect for complex project tracking and scheduling, with Gantt charts, task dependencies, and resource management tools. However, if you only need basic task tracking, you might be overpaying for features you won't use. Another key point is its integration with other Microsoft products. If you're already using Microsoft Office tools like Excel and Word, you'll appreciate how well Microsoft Project integrates with them. But if you're using non-Microsoft products, the integration options may feel limited or require additional setup, which might make software like Monday.com or Wrike more appealing for some users. Next, let's talk about collaboration. Microsoft Project has solid collaboration features, but again, they're tailored for professional teams. Communication, file sharing, and task management are possible, but it's not as seamless as tools like Basecamp or Slack, which focus more on easy collaboration between teams. The sixth thing is the learning curve. Microsoft Project is often criticized for being difficult to learn, especially if you don't have a background in project management. Many users report needing significant time to understand all the features and functionalities, so if you're looking for something more user-friendly, you might want to explore tools like Smartsheet or Zoho Projects. Moving on to support, Microsoft Project offers decent customer support, including online resources and forums, but it's not as responsive as what you'd get with some smaller, specialized project management tools. If you need round-the-clock support or more hands-on assistance, software like TeamGantt could be a better choice. Another consideration is the mobile app. While Microsoft Project has a mobile version, it's not as comprehensive as the desktop version, and its functionality can feel limited compared to mobile-first tools like Trello or Todoist. If you need something that works seamlessly on your phone or tablet, Microsoft Project might not be the best fit. The ninth thing to mention is the reporting features. Microsoft Project excels at offering detailed and customizable reports, which can be essential for project managers. However, for businesses just looking to track basic financial data or small-scale project metrics, software like FreshBooks might be a better and simpler choice. Next, Microsoft Project is widely known for its scalability. It's a great option if you're planning to grow your business and handle larger projects. But if you're just starting out or running a small business, the complexity and feature set might overwhelm you, and a simpler solution like QuickBooks Online might suit you better. The 11th thing to keep in mind is the offline functionality. Unlike some cloud-based project management tools, Microsoft Project allows you to work offline, which can be great in situations where you don't have internet access. However, this can also be a downside if you need cloud-first collaboration, since syncing can sometimes be slow and complicated. Finally, while Microsoft Project is a great tool for handling complex project management needs, it's not ideal for everyone. If you're a small business owner looking for a more straightforward and cost-effective solution, or if you don't need all the advanced features it offers, you might find other tools, like Zoho Projects, to be a better fit. In conclusion, Microsoft Project is a powerful tool, but it comes with a steep learning curve and a higher price tag compared to its competitors. If you're after something simpler, more user-friendly, or less expensive, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.